Real World English.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm good too. Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did it last night.
Can I see it?
Sure, here it is.
It's very neat.
Thank you.
There's one small mistake.
Really? Where?
This word needs an E.
Oh, okay. I'll fix it.
Did you understand yesterday's lesson?
Some of it.
Which part was hard?
Past perfect and past simple.
Want me to explain again?
Yes, please.
Past simple means it happened in the past.
Like, I watched TV yesterday.
Past perfect means it happened before another past action.
Like, I had eaten before I went out.
Feel better now?
Yes, thank you.
Are you ready for the quiz tomorrow?
A little bit.
Did you study yet?
Not yet.
Please study tonight.
Okay, I will.
Will you sleep early?
Yes, before 10.
Good. What other homework do you have?
Math.
Is there a test?
Yes, on Friday.
Busy week?
Yes.
You can do it. Any questions?
Yes, about the homework.
What is it?
Can my story be funny?
Yes, but keep it school safe.
Okay. How many sentences?
At least 5 past perfect sentences.
Can I use past simple too?
Yes, you can.
Can I type it?
Yes, but print it.
When do I give it to you?
Tomorrow morning.
Okay, I'll finish it today.
Good. Need help after class?
No, I'm fine.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
See you.